Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Great to have everyone back on the YouTube series as always. For today's video, just want to do a quick update on the portfolio, including a discussion of all of the options premium for this week. Over $6,000 credited the account this week alone. So a very strong week of performance with options. And taking a look at the screen here, a very strong end of the week with the overall portfolio up 1.95%. 9,152.42, and looking back over the last week of trading, up 7.84%, 34,736. So a very strong week in the overall performance. These are all of the current options. As you can see, all of the options for today have been rolled forward. Some Tesla options did expire, and then with Ford Motor Company, because of the very strong week of performance, I had to roll all of these forward. If you take a look at the overall history with Ford, you can see, like I said, a very strong day today, up 2.44%, and over the past week of trading, up a very nice 7.99%, 93 cents in the green. Overall market value now $12.57 per share. Take a look at my history. You'll see all of the options for this week. Over $4,000 with Ford Motor Company alone. So if we expand that, you can see on the bottom of the screen, the first option there on the bottom, Ford 1185 call sell 331, $2,170 was credited to the account. Those were all going to expire on this Friday, but as you can see here, that was for 1185. I had to roll those forward. There were a few partial sells here, 15 contracts rolling out to 4.6 for $12. A few more here as well, 9 shares rolling out to 4.6, $12. And then here I had to go ahead and roll out for 2 weeks because the price of Ford was rebounding so dramatically. But I did receive $2,002 for this particular contract. So next week I will not have substantial income. But for this week, $2,170, $2,002. Final few contracts here were rolled forward as well to $1,250. Also for next week, 4.6. So about $4,200 or so with those contracts. If you take a look at Tesla, there are a few contracts that expired today as well. Tesla 210 put, these will be expiring in the next few months. But if we take a look at the overall portfolio, Tesla, go down to history, you'll see those contracts expired today. But I did receive $2,000 for these. You can see up on screen here, Tesla 187.50 put sell 331 for this Friday, $2,000. 4 contracts, $500 for each of those contracts, $5 per share, 100 shares per contract. So 500 times 4, 2,000. And you can see those expired today. I decided not to roll those forward because of the strong performance with Tesla as well today. If you take a look at the stock, up 6.24%, $12.20, 207.65. So if this does trend down next week, I'll go ahead and do more put contracts. So next week, it's not going to be as profitable as this week. As those contracts, I'll probably be able to get $1,500 or so. And then the Ford contracts for next week, maybe $500 or so. So $2,000 is the goal for next week. So $6,000 this week, $2,000 will be the goal for next week. But overall, a very strong week of performance. Again, up on screen, 7.84%, 34,736. And for today, up 1.95%. 9,152. Just touching on one of the videos I did this past week with dividend capture. Was not able to get into any of these stocks, but it would have been a very profitable week of trading with these stocks. John Deere and Company, DE, over the past week of trading, as you can see, up 5.65%. So you could have jumped in at the beginning of the week, bought the stock, and then sold off after the ex-dividend date for that stock, as well as a positive swing trade. Realty Income, likewise, trending up this week, so you could have got into the stock, captured the dividend, and then got out with a positive swing trade. And Cardinal Health, CAH, likewise, because the overall market has been so strong. This is up 5.71%. So again, you could have jumped into the stock here, qualified for the dividend, and sold off for a positive swing trade. So making money with dividend capture as well as a positive swing trade. So we'll continue to do dividend capture moving forward. But next week, like I said, going to go ahead and do more options, hopefully with Tesla if it does pull back a bit. And then those Ford contracts will be for a few for next week and then a few for the week thereafter. Continuing to roll those forward, out and up. and we'll kind of have to see what Ford company does with the stock price. But if it does start moving up, I'll have to roll out maybe a little bit longer. I know there's a few comments suggesting just rolling out for a full month to 6 weeks, and I definitely will think about that. But I do like rolling from week to week, a little bit more profitable, and I do like to have hands-on movement with this portfolio. I like to trade with this actively throughout the week. I do have other portfolios that are buy and hold portfolios that I don't do a lot of trading with, but this one I definitely like to do trading with. But I'll definitely take that into consideration. So again, not to make this video too long, just wanted to do a quick update on the portfolio. With that, I'll kind of end this video. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.